Monday, what you got? Orlando, Florida. How much is that one? 26. It's a dry load or reefer? Oh, that's a dry. And where you got the Missouri, the Milwaukee, Missouri today? And that's a reefer load. That's a dry. Could I ask you something else? Because we used to work with you guys, but I'm not so sure who was it. I think that was Debbie, or I'm not so sure. She used to ship the stuff from Janesville, Wisconsin, down there, the John Deere stuff. Oh, John Deere's on a Green Bay account. And who is the dispatcher there? Who is the dispatcher there for those loads? You don't know. Oh yeah. You got maybe the phone number for those guys over there? Yeah. 6767. Okay. Alright, Sharon, thank you very much.
Continue, Kuma. I love you. Give me a kissy.